Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Salty Rod Fishing Channel. I'm out here this morning at Crush Boat Beach. Gonna try to go after some mutton snapper today, I think. Thanks to all of you for tuning in, and a special thanks to Brody and Porter for watching the videos. Keep it up, guys. Can't wait to see you guys down here one day and take you out fishing. So with that, let's get going. Alright, I'm seeing some pretty good blow-ups out there. So yeah, I'm gonna make my way out that way. See if I can throw this top water and get in on it. Just went over the top with some nice threadfin herring. Trying to locate them again. I picked one up. They can be tough to get by these people. There were some other fish around. They may be moving too fast for me to even find them again. Just going to circle around here a little bit, see if I can pick them up again. I'll show you what threadfin herring looks like and why they call it a threadfin herring. It's a very lively bait. Looks like a jumbo-sized sardine. So there it is there. And then as you can see on this fin here, it's really long like a thread. So really a pretty bait. It's got a really sharp belly, great belly. Swim this threadfin out behind me. Then I'm going to go hunt for his buddies and whatever he's I did put a 2-ounce sinker on, so I can slow him down some. Right now I'm at 80, 5 feet of water. I'm going to get him away from the kayak. Something here. Something ate him. It feels like a shark. This isn't good. Could be a smaller Spanish mac. That is a surprise. It's like a triggerfish. Nice sized trigger, and there's another one with it. I just attack the heck out of this bait. Looks like he's down there at about 50 feet. Just annihilated the bait. Yeah, they were just taking chunks out of this guy. One ate his eye. He's still down there too. I'm picking him up on my sonar at 25 feet. So let's see if they want to finish this guy off. I think I got lucky that I was able to hook them because these triggerfish have such small mouths. It's not easy to hook them. Let that sit there for a sec and I'll show you what this trigger looks like. Why they call it a triggerfish. This is what a triggerfish looks like. The reason they call it a trigger is because you can't push that fin down. But if you pull that trigger, you see how easily it goes down. It's all controlled from this one. Once it's up, it locks. I believe that's to help prevent predators from eating these fish. You don't want that sharp spike in your mouth. I was considering keeping this guy to eat, but I think I'm just going to let him go. Kind of a pretty fish to see on the reefs. See you later, buddy. Talk about a predator. You see that? That's a pretty big threadfin herring for those two triggers to just attack it like that. And they minced him up quick. I noticed he was really nervous and it looked like some tugs, but I was expecting a lot bigger fish than that. So I didn't think I had anything on at first.